study says when it comes to snoring, women don't tell the truth exactly.
Well, that's according to a new study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine. They studied nearly 2,000 adults with potential sleeping disorders and found women tended to underreport their snoring. Out of the 88% of women who snored, only 72% reported it. Meanwhile, men actually overreported snoring.
I think women feel like snoring is like an unflattering thing, and that's why they're always like, I don't snore. What are you talking about?
Are you giggling because you snore?
I definitely snore, and I don't feel bad about saying it. I only snore sometimes, but I've woken myself up before.
You have? That's the best. Is you're so happy.
Well, you know, just like the in-between times where you're almost completely asleep, but you're not quite there.
Yes.
I've woken myself up in those times.
When you're really tired is when I feel like that happens, like really exhausted.
Yeah.
I don't snore much in my sleep, but my significant other has told me that I talk in my sleep and sometimes yell in my sleep.
Wow. Aggressive.
Yeah.
I didn't notice any of that when we all went on the last trip we went on.
Because we all were snoring.
That's probably it.
So tired.
Couldn't hear it over the leaky sink that was
That's
dripping
true.
constantly.
None of what you said surprised me, by the way. Nothing that was just said here
No?
surprises me.
Not even the leaky sink?
Well, that did.
It's time for me to do the weather, isn't it? I totally just got lost. I had no idea what was coming next, but it's me.